Welcome to my latest demo video. Today I'm going to show you how Excel can cope with large data sets using its Power Query functionality. For this demo I'm using a data set called Yellow Taxi Trip Data for the year 2018. It's New York taxi data. It's it's over 10 gigabytes of data. I downloaded the data as one CSV file from the following website. You can see here it took me quite a while to download the data, but once it's downloaded, Excel was able to cope with it. Here I obtain the data using the Get Data tab option. So I navigate to the CSV file in my Downloads folder, and we can see here the file size is over 10 gigs. So Excel Power Query is connecting to the CSV, and it's offering us the option of loading straight away or transforming. For very large files you need to transform because you're going to create queries that reduce the return size of the data back to the worksheet. So here we're in Power Query and I start to create some queries, summarizing, aggregating, that kind of thing of the data. Here we can see the result of the count rows query, and we can see the value is over 112 million rows. After clicking the Close and Load button within Power Query and return to the worksheet, and we can see that the data has been returned to the worksheet, and we can see the queries here. Now that the data has been returned to the worksheets, we can then carry out functionality as we are required by the business. We can create charts, pivot tables, add functions, whatever we need. One thing to be clear here is that the worksheet data that we can see here is separate from the data within the Power Query. Here we can see the size of the Excel file is 29 kilobytes,